Alright guys, well, this is my mini bike that me and Echo painted. These are the wheels. Still need a dry paint, or the paint needs to dry. There's my 6.5 horsepower engine. Here's the frame. And yes, the color is blue. Pretty nice. The springs, or the shocks that we have, because it does have shocks. It's pretty nice. Let's see what else. Oh, here, the seat to cover, like, what supports your, basically your ass. Front shock holders, handlebars. Yep, old style handlebars. Pretty nice. Is there anything else? Oh, the what's this called?
Rear fender.
The rear fender, and the crappy seat that we still need to fix. So, day 2. My house. Yep, pretty good. So, yep. Bye bye.